I'm Lauren Silva, and we are here in beautiful Sonoma County at Pinnacle Equestrian. Pinnacle Equestrian started 5 years ago, and we bought it really for my daughter to have a private facility. And it started with 1 horse and our trainer. Now it's turned into 6 horses. The round barn is really where the horses stay at night. It's where the horses get tacked and groomed. Having the fan is great, not only for the horses, but also for our staff, because they have to be in there and cleaning the stalls, and you know, they're really working. They did this beautiful wrought iron detail with horses on the wood beam. And I walked in when it was done, and my mouth opened. I couldn't believe how gorgeous it was. It looks incredible. It was just fabulous. And then on top of it, it works really well. Our plan is to build a covered arena, and there's no question at all, we're definitely gonna have at least 3 of these hanging from the ceiling.